Hello friends, and welcome back to Mrs. Karnes and Me. The train slows and suddenly we're here. Brussels, Belgium, our 42nd country. A city where centuries of history blend effortlessly with modern energy. Cobblestone streets lead to grand cathedrals, golden top towers, and cozy cafes waiting to be discovered. For the next 6 nights, this vibrant capital will be our home. And we're staying somewhere truly special, the Rocco Forte Hotel Amigo. Luxury, art, and culture all come together here, steps from the Grand Place in the very heart of Brussels. A new city, a new story, and it all begins right here on Mrs. Karnes and Me.
Welcome to country number 42. This is Belgium. So we've been out of the train station for, 45 seconds. And this is one shimmering, shiny city.
It is.
Not what I expected to be.
Oh, look at that. That's the train station.
Very cool. The weather's perfect.
Oh, the weather's amazing. After a smooth Uber ride from the train station, we've arrived at our beautiful home for the next 6 nights, the Rocco Forte Hotel Amigo. This 5-star hotel is perfectly located right on the corner of Grand Place, the very heart of the city. It's a place where old world charm and modern luxury blend seamlessly. From the moment we stepped inside, we were greeted by everyone we met. The staff here are so friendly and genuinely helpful. The lobby is absolutely beautiful, filled with art and color, setting the tone for the rest of the hotel. Hotel Amigo opened its doors in the 1950s and was built to accommodate royalty and nobility during the Brussels World Fair in 1958. Since then, the hotel has always been the initial choice of royals, film stars, musicians, politicians, and heads of state. While we were there, the German Chancellor and the Italian Prime Minister were in town for meetings of the EU's foreign ministries, and they were there. This hotel features 154 rooms and 19 suites. Just off the lobby is Bar Marguerite, a cozy and stylish spot for cocktails or coffee. I love the atmosphere, and the unique chessboard there really caught my eye. Let's head upstairs and take a look at our room. We're staying in a junior suite and it is absolutely stunning. The design feels modern and refined, but with creative touches that celebrate Belgian art, like these charming wooden apples, a nod to the surrealist artist Rene Magritte. We have this nice couch to sit at. The coffee table was heavy laden with gifts, cards, chocolates, welcome gifts to go collect. This really pretty little flower. I love the flowers. And apples must mean something. I've seen several apples in this hotel. And I love all the books. We've got a stack of books here from different places. Look, here's another apple thing. Look, on this pillow, there's an apple theme. There's some kind of an apple thing going on here.
Okay.
Well, and I have no clue what this stick in the corner means. Nice speaker though. It's a cute little room, isn't it? It's not a little room. It's a very nice room. Mini bar. I didn't even look. Oh, there's like all the cups and things, and espresso. The bedroom area is spacious and elegant, with crisp linens, a large wardrobe, and of course, those signature Rocco Forte bathrobes and slippers. You know I always love those. Now let's check out the bathroom. Finished in beautiful Carrara-marble. It's luxurious and includes the exclusive Irene Forte skincare products, which I love so much I may have tucked a few into my bag before we left. The ever popular towel warmer at the parade. I do like a good towel warmer. So, makeup mirror. 26 hours, we're not doing too bad. The suite also includes thoughtful touches like high-speed Wi-Fi, USB charging ports, a coffee machine, and even a packing and unpacking service, though we decided to handle that part ourselves. That one, and then this one is a closet that's lit with some little space there and a nice umbrella if we would need that. And another cupboard for more clothing. So, even the hangers are branded. Look, they say Hotel Amigo, that's cute. All right. Very nice room. I love it. I love it so much. The bathroom here at Hotel Amigo is truly luxurious. All that beautiful Carrara marble and, of course, the wonderful Irene Forte skincare products. But there's something else that really caught my eye. A set of picture frames with tiny figures of Tintin and his dog Snowy. It is such fun and unexpected detail in a 5-star hotel. Tintin is one of Belgium's most beloved comic book characters, created by artist Hergé. His adventures are part of the country's cultural identity, and you'll see nods to him all over Brussels. Hotel Amigo embraces that local spirit, blending world-class luxury with touches of Belgian art and charm in every corner. Now that we've settled in, it's time to head out and start exploring this incredible city for ourselves.
Hello, Mrs. Karnes and Me fans. It's my pleasure to welcome you to country number 42. This is beautiful Brussels, Belgium.
And it's literally 460 feet from the hotel.
What do you think, beautiful lady?
Pretty amazing, is what I think.
I mean, does this just not
It's just
scream of a European city center?
I don't know.
This is
a little more ornate than any of the others we've been to.
This is the Grand Place in the heart of Brussels.
As we wandered away from the Grand Place, the city lights lead us toward the elegant Galeries Royales Saint-Hubert, one of Brussels' most beautiful arcades. It's easy to see why this spot has inspired travelers for centuries. Sparkling glass ceilings, golden trim, and every window filled with temptation. We stopped in a few of the famous chocolate shops just to admire the artistry, pralines, truffles, and glossy bars displayed like jewels. Even the air smelled sweet here. Each storefront was a little masterpiece, and we couldn't resist a bit of window shopping as we slowly made our way through, soaking up the glow and the quiet charm of the evening. Brussels really does know how to make even a simple stroll feel magical.
So another little pleasant surprise from the fact that the Grand Place is 400 feet away from our hotel. The Galeries Royales, and we're going to mess these French names up, and I apologize for the next few videos. That we're going to do our best to try to pronounce them correctly. But this is a gallery that I can't imagine how many forests of cacao trees gave their lives to be for the stores inside of this place. It's just chocolate store after chocolate store.
They're
after
cute
chocolate
as a
store.
button, too.
And they're very, very nice, and they are all tasty.
They are.
So we have walked through. We're going to continue to walk around around in the city center here in Brussels. Great first impression.
Yeah,
The city of Brussels is rolling out all the stops for Mrs. Karnes and Me.
it is. As we wandered down one of the narrow cobblestone streets just off the Grand Place, something caught our eye. A bronze sculpture tucked quietly along the wall. It's the monument Éverard des Cercles, and legend says that by rubbing his arm, the angel's face, or the dog at his feet, it brings good luck, or even ensures a return to Brussels. And of course, we couldn't pass that up. After our lucky stop at the Éverard des Cercles monument, we went to find Brussels' most famous figure, the Manneken Pis. I'd read that it was small, but I was still surprised at just how tiny it really is. This little statue is so loved here, often dressed in costumes for special occasions, with a museum nearby that displays all of his outfits. And you really can't miss him. He's everywhere. All the shops around sell Manneken Pis everything. Chocolates, t-shirts, keychains, even donuts. You name it, they've got it. As we walked toward our dinner stop, we kept spotting him in every window. He's truly become the cheeky little face of Brussels. It's another Princey dog. We have two Princey dogs. And as the evening deepened, we made our way to our final stop, the Blue, tucked just a few minutes from the Grand Place. Here, in a cozy corner of Brussels, comfort meets tradition, hearty Belgian classics, an impressive beer list, and that welcoming local spirit that we've come to love. It felt like the perfect way to wrap up day one in this city of surprises.
So we've been walking around in the area here in the city center by the hotel. Boy, the Hotel Amigo is just right in the middle of all of it. And we were walking around, and Mrs. Karnes was starting to get a little angry. Hungry and tired. We've now been awake for
A long time.
27 hours.
Yeah.
And,
Just get a little tired. I haven't eaten anything
I
all
Googled
day.
best restaurants near me, and we are 2 blocks walk up the street. The Blue is the name of this restaurant. It's a very authentic looking little place here in Brussels. We've got ourselves a Belgian beer. Mrs. Karnes has ordered herself a Belgian beef stew, a traditional beef stew.
Flemish, it said.
Flemish.
Yeah.
And so we're going to get some food. I hope that we've been able to capture the coolness of this city center. This has been really neat. We've been here now for 3 hours.
Oh, you saw the little Manneken Pis,
We
too.
saw the Peen Board. We saw the Grand Place. We saw the Gallery. Gallery.
I don't know. I think Galleria.
And so night is falling, darkness is coming, and we're getting tired. So we may eat our dinner and then wrap this up. Thanks for journeying to Brussels with Mrs. Karnes and Me. The train ride today was good.
It was.
On time,
Yeah.
clean, nice.
Yeah. Great way to travel.
It was a nice way to travel. So thanks for tuning in to Mrs. Karnes and Me. We'll let you know how the food is probably here in a minute. We'll
Yeah.
wrap this food up here in just a minute.
Anything else?
That's all. That is all.
This is the Flemish stew. And Mr. Karnes got fish. Is that
Grilled
right?
sea breeds.
Looks delish.
Very, very beautiful.
It was pretty in the day, and it's very pretty at night as well.
It's very beautiful.
After a wonderful meal at the Blue, we took one last stroll through the Grand Place at night. It was absolutely breathtaking. The buildings glowing against the evening sky, golden light shimmering across every facade. As we walked back to Hotel Amigo, the city felt peaceful and alive all at once. And finally, after being awake for nearly 30 hours, it was time to call it a night, to drift off and dream about the beautiful experiences we've already had and the adventures still to come. This is just the beginning. Next week, we'll be exploring another new country. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey. We know that we are living the good life, and we hope that you are too. Sante.